In today's video, I'm going to show you how to approve an affiliate on Gumroad. First, open the Gumroad website in your browser and log in to your account. After signing in, click on the dashboard button at the top right corner. Now scroll down the left sidebar, click on your profile name and then open the affiliates section. Before you can approve affiliates, make sure you already have a published product with affiliate access enabled. Once affiliate requests start coming in, go to the Affiliates tab. Here you will see a list of affiliate applications or pending requests if manual approval is enabled on your account. To approve an affiliate, simply find the person you want to approve and click the Approve button next to their name or email address. After approval, the affiliate will receive access to their affiliate link and can immediately start promoting your products. You can also optionally send them a welcome message with marketing instructions, promotional materials, or additional information about your product. Inside the affiliate dashboard, you can track clicks, sales, commissions earned, and affiliate performance. If needed, you can also remove or block affiliates directly from the same section. And that's how to approve an affiliate on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.